Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Happy fall, everybody. We are excited. It's fall, it's October, one of Chef's favorite times to cook. Some of his favorite videos come out now, and we have a video for you today. So cheesy baked ziti is a very popular dish, and today Chef is actually going to show us how to make the gluten-free version. So gluten-free cheesy baked ziti, definitely something that we think you're going to really enjoy, and let's go ahead and get cooking. Gonna heat up some water in a large pan, throw a little salt in there, and then add your gluten-free pasta or regular pasta, it's up to you. He's using Barilla gluten-free pasta. Once it's all cooked, go ahead and strain it, put it in a large bowl. Chef's now gonna add his ingredients here to mix it up. He's got his Ricotta Cheese. He's gonna throw an egg in there, uncooked, and some shredded Mozzarella cheese. You don't have to add all of it. The directions and ingredients will be listed on our blog. The ingredients will be listed down below. Now he's going to add a little sauce, but again, not all of it, just a little, and then mix. So mix and add as you go. A little more cheese.
Okay, I'm done.
Look at that, we have a little special guest today. It's Little Chef, stirring it up. Okay, so once everything's all set, you can add your seasonings. Now our seasonings video clip didn't make it for some reason, but we have Italian seasonings you can buy at the store just like this. A couple tablespoons, mix it right in, and any other seasonings you wish. Okay, you're going to want an oven-safe dish, just like the one Chef's using here. A nice glass casserole one will work. Go ahead and put the cheesy baked ziti mixture right in, and then smooth everything out. Chef's now going to add some mozzarella cheese on top, and he's also going to go ahead and add some shredded Parmesan cheese on top as well. And then he's going to have his oven ready to go, 350 degrees, and some parsley right on top for some garnish. So this is going to go in 350 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes. Check it along the way. Okay, about 15 to 20 minutes. It looks nice. Chef's going to flip this over to broil. Set it to broil for about 5 minutes and check it. And it'll look just like this, golden brown, nice and crunchy top. Nice angle. Beautiful, Chef. So you place this down and your guests are going to go crazy. They're going to love it. Chef's now going to plate this up and a little bit of Parmesan cheese for garnish on top and a nice cold Angry Orchard. Obviously, it's fall. And there you have it, gluten-free, cheesy baked ziti. Now the breadsticks and the croutons in our side salad are not gluten-free. We have to say that per our legal department, but this is gluten-free aside from that. Please drink responsibly, of course, if you're having an Angry Orchard there. But yeah, like we said, this is a great hot meal, couple ingredients, inexpensive to make, and we think you're going to enjoy it. Gluten-free or not, we definitely do hope you try this video out. And don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.